In today's Kim's adventure, we head out to Hellgate Jetboat Excursions in Grants Pass, Oregon. Named after General Ulysses S. Grants Pass is a city located on the Interstate 5, northwest of Medford along the Rogue River. They have a revitalized downtown with a booming historic district, and also host the state's longest-running outdoor growers and crafts fair. The city is a beautiful town with much to explore and is considered to be a natural amusement park. You can fish, raft, hike, cycle the trails, but today we'll be going on the jetboat ride. Alright, we're at Hellgate Jetboat Excursion right now. All the people here. Going to hell. Okay, that's the building. The Hellgate Jetboat Excursion. Right here with all the, looks like a gift shop. Established in 1959, Hellgate has run excursions down the wild and scenic Rogue River to the historic Hellgate Canyon. In fact, it was one of the first jetboat companies in the United States. As a second-generation family business, Hellgate Jetboat Excursions proudly continues the legacy of being a safe and fun way to enjoy the Rogue River. Hellgate Jetboat Excursions shares a retail space with Shop River Rock, a home decor and lifestyle boutique. And the Hellgate Cellars is where you can enjoy wine alongside a carefully curated selection of kombucha, tea, beer, and cider. Prior to arriving, we made our reservations online. We're checking in right now at the Hellgate Jetboat Excursion, and you have to prepay your ticket, I believe, and sign a waiver.
It says initial here?
Yeah,
So
everywhere it says initial there, and then if
scan
you
this.
do you have a minor in your party with you?
My son's 8.
Your son's 8. So
Okay.
when it asks, there'll be like a little pull-up multiple choice.
Okay, yeah, it's loading.
Perfect.
And then initial.
Yeah. It's all
We signed our life away at a click of a few buttons. It was that easy.
I think I should leave my glasses.
This is a boarding pass right here for the boat. We had to walk about 5 minutes down the bridge to get to the boats. Alright, we're entering the Hellgate tour. Jetboat excursion. So we're going under the bridge right now. Waiting in line for our excursion. 11:15. Excited to go on this jetboat ride?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I need to keep my hat in.
Oh, you know what? Your hat, you should probably take it off and sit on it. Yeah, because it's gonna go fast. Your hat might fly off.
Yeah, I heard only the fastest boats, they go like 90 to 100 miles an hour. Like
Really? On here? Oh no, not this one, right?
No.
They gave us front row seats, the best seats in the house.
Hey,
Everybody hear me?
you're really happy?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
We left the dock at a leisurely speed. The Rogue River flows from a spring on the west side of Crater Lake on its 250-mile journey to the Pacific Ocean. About 85 miles of the Rogue is protected under the Wild and Scenic River Act enacted by Congress in 1968. As soon as we passed the bridge, the captain stepped on the gas and took us on a wild ride. You just wipe your glasses?
System,
Look at that.
one of
We're
the
all
largest
wet.
Parks in that system. 7 of them are on the
Jetboat ride, and that was fun. Had a great time. Highly recommended. We spent the next 30 minutes getting some great photo ops. Thank you, Hellgate Jetboat Excursion, for a great time. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.